I saw this on LinkedIn this morning and it was meaningful to me. And I want to share it directly with you. One of my connections commented on a post from Ashley Solbach, where Ashley Solbach wrote a story that she heard from Dr. Lois Profeta, who's an emergency room physician in Indianapolis. And this is what Dr. Profeta said. I will look at your Facebook profile before I tell your mother you're dead. And she went on to said, it helps her to know and feel and believe that you're human, that you're not just a dead body in her emergency room. She said that she knows that what's about to happen right now will change everybody's lives forever. And then she went on to say that she's mad. She's absolutely mad. She's mad at you for what you did and what your actions are going to do and the impact it's going to have on so many other people's lives. Now, she knows that her task that she is diligently focused on is to save your life. But when she sees you on that gurney, broken legs, sometimes a limb missing, blood everywhere, your face worse than just scratched up, and you're near death the moment she sees you. But she's going to do everything in her power to try to save you. But often she knows that her actions are futile and you are going to die. She went on to say that the reason she's going to get your wallet, get your license if she can, and find you on Facebook if she can, is because A, she wants to know that you were a real human and that you lived a real life, maybe a meaningful, enjoyable, happy, loving life. She's often that she will discover that the hat that you were wearing, the necklace you had on, the jacket you were wearing that she had to rip off for you to try to save your life that was covered with blood, that you had recently wore that to a high school event or to a concert with friends. She says that she hopes that she will see a picture of you with your mother and father so that when she does contact them and they walk into the hospital, your dad screaming your name out, your mother in tears, petrified about what's going to happen and what she's going to discover, that she will be able to recognize them so she doesn't have to ask, are you this child's parents? She went on to say that she loves to see pictures of you with your grandparents, blowing out your birthday candles, celebrating, having fun with others, because she knows there are other people who love you. And unfortunately, she knows today is the day that she gets to crash their lives by telling them you are dead. She went on to say, very bluntly, which is what I want to share with you very bluntly. I want to use her words because I can't make them better. For the love of God, put down your phone, slow down, come to a complete stop, wear your seatbelt, go the speed limit, drive like your life depends on it because it does. And if that's not enough, drive like other people's lives depend on it as well.